Hello everybody and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. Taking a quick break today from our project truck and we're going to be looking at this Chevrolet Blazer. Now this is a couple years old. It has a wired system if you want to hook up your phone, either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And this is a device that's going to help fix that. This is from GetPair. It's kind of a neat name. GetPair, kind of like dealing with pairing devices. In any case, instead of hooking up your phone, messing with wires, you're going to plug this into a USB port and your phone's wirelessly going to connect to this, and this connects to your car, giving you that wireless connection, giving you all the options that Apple CarPlay has. We're going to do a quick little unboxing and test. It's all coming up next. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. So here's our receiver, and it looks like we have an adapter should you need one for the install. All right, we've moved inside the car, and this is a 2019 Blazer and has that little bit dated GM interior that we all love and know. Maybe not love so much anymore. And today's phone is, I think it's an iPhone 12 or 13. And if you're watching this video, you know all too well, you got to find a cord, or in this case, we've got a couple of cords here because iPhone has changed their connecting method here in the recent years. So we've got a USB-C, and then we, of course, got a Lightning here. So, and of course, once you plug that phone in, you get the CarPlay. You've got to wait for it. Now it'll either automatically come, or you've got to go ahead and push a button here that says CarPlay. Let that fire up, and you have it. And of course, when you're done, you get to unplug your phone. All right, we've moved those pesky cords out of the way. And again, you can use the USB or USB-C. We have both of them on here, but because I like using the USB-C for actually charging the phone when I need it, we're going to go ahead and just use the regular USB type A port on this. If we were to go back in time a little bit, I know I purchased a similar device about 4 or 5 years ago in a different vehicle that didn't have wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. It was kind of expensive, and it was notoriously unstable. I mean, I basically ended up returning it because I couldn't use it. Fast forward 4 or 5 years, they're certainly a lot more affordable, and they seem to be a lot more stable. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. Go ahead and plug that in, and we're immediately going to get prompted with a connection, just like plugging in any new device for the first time. After that, you'll get the green CarPlay icon that we're used to. We'll go ahead and hit that, and we'll get an initial setup screen. Then it's just a matter of pairing it like you would any other device. So we've got our phone, hit Bluetooth, and what we're looking for is this car with a series of numbers and digits after that. We're going to find that here in our Bluetooth. Go ahead and do the pairing. Go through any of the security notifications that you may have. Connect. Make sure you have Siri enabled. And we're good to go. All right, so I'm just going to take this and put it off to the side here real quick, just to show there's no wires on there. We're going to go ahead and just do some navigation here within Apple CarPlay. Pretty straightforward stuff. We've got the base Apple map in here. We can use Google Maps, whatever that might be for you. All right, guys, that's it. A really quick review. So far, the little bit of testing I've done with it, it's been really stable. It's not cutting in and out. I will leave some product links over in the description. You guys can check that out whenever you're ready. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.